we have to put the light blue handle, light blue piping. All is going to be, instead of the Vegeta leather, we're going to be the calfskin, the light blue. So we have to match up the color. That exactly color we're going to make. This is it. That's exactly the color we're going to make. All our leathers made in Italy. See, that's the calfskin come from Italy. And of course, they want to put the D-ring here. Is going to be the additional strap on both sides. They want to put with the D-ring, the side strap. So this is it. That's the project we have.